How to turn off read receipts on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off read receipts on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find these 3 points. Click on it and then just click settings, and here you will find account. Click on it and then click privacy. And now just here you will find it read receipts. If you want to turn it off, all you need to do is just click on it one click, and that's it. It's easy, of course. And now just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.